Welcome. If you want to let group members send videos in your Telegram group, you're in the right place. Whether you're running a community, a study group, or a fan club, enabling video sharing can make your group more interactive and engaging. Here's the latest step-by-step guide to allow group members to send videos in Telegram as of April 2025. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and that you have admin rights in the group where you want to change the settings. Next, head over to the group chat. You'll see all your group conversations listed. Just tap on the one where you want to allow video sharing. Once you're inside the group chat, look at the top of your screen. Tap on the group picture or the group name. This will take you to the group's info page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Now, find and tap the edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or the word edit in the top right corner. This is where you can make changes to your group settings. From the menu that appears, tap on Permissions. This section controls what group members are allowed to do, such as sending messages, media, stickers, and more. Look for the option labeled Send Media. Tap on it to view the list of media types that members can share. Here, you'll see choices like photos, videos, and other media files. To allow video sharing, simply checkmark or toggle the Videos option. This will enable all group members to send videos in the chat, making it easier for everyone to share moments, tutorials, or any video content relevant to your group. Once you've made your selection, your changes are saved automatically in most cases. Now everyone in your group can send videos, making your Telegram community more dynamic and fun. That's it. You've successfully updated your group permissions. If you have any more questions or want to explore other Telegram features, stay tuned for more helpful tips. Happy chatting!